Baba, what are the cardinal directions?
Cardinal directions are the four main directions on a compass rose. These directions are north, south, east, and west.
Mama, why is the sun always shining through this window in the morning?
That's because this window faces east.
If north is in front of us, south is behind.
Baba, we figured it out. The picnic spot is to the east, and we know where the lake is to the west.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever felt like the world's spinning and you need a secret code to tell which way to go? Cardinal directions are like your superpower compass. Let's spin into the secrets of north, south, east, and west.
Mama, why is the sun always shining through this window in the morning?
That's because this window faces east. East is the direction where the sun rises in the morning. So we always get this bright light here.
Oh! So we can use the sun to find east?
Exactly. And when the sun sets, it's always in the west. So if you ever need to figure out directions without a compass, just remember where the sun rises and sets.
So we know east and west from the sun. What about north and south?
If you know where east is, you can figure out the others. Face the sun in the morning, and east is in front of you, west is behind, north is to your left, and south is to your right.
I'm getting good at this. Baba, are we going to the picnic today? Is everyone coming?
Yes, but today's picnic is a bit different. I've hidden something special at the picnic spot.
Hidden something? What is it?
That's the secret. I've left clues, but you'll need to use cardinal directions to find it.
Baba, what are the cardinal directions?
Cardinal directions are the four main directions on a compass rose. These directions are north, south, east, and west.
Baba, what's a compass rose?
A compass rose is a symbol used on maps to show directions.
Baba, can you tell me more about these directions?
Of course, Sorrow. North is the direction pointing toward the North Pole. South is the direction pointing toward the South Pole. East is the direction where the sun rises in the morning. West is the direction where the sun sets in the evening.
Directions? How do we use them?
You'll see. But first, we have to find north. Come on, let's start.
Baba says there's a surprise at the picnic. But we need to find north to start.
That's easy. Look, I've got a compass. The red arrow always points to north.
So north is this way?
Exactly, Sorrow.
What about the other directions?
If north is in front of us, south is behind. East is to our right, and west is to the left. These are called cardinal directions, and they help us know where to go.
Awesome! Let's keep going. Dua! We're trying to find the hidden surprise Baba left at the picnic. Can we use the map?
Of course. This is a map of the park, and it will help us. See the top of the map? That's always north. If we know where north is, we can figure out where to go next.
So if the picnic area is on the right side of the map, that's east?
Exactly. If we know where east is on the map, we just need to follow that direction to find the picnic spot.
And the lake is to the south, right?
Yep. You've got it. And look at the scale, it shows how far we need to walk.
We're getting closer. Baba, we figured it out. The picnic spot is to the east, and we know where the lake is to the west.
Well done, Sorrow. You've used your cardinal directions perfectly. Once you know your directions, the whole world makes sense.
Now it's the time for quiz. You are standing facing the sunrise. What direction are you looking toward? Option A, east. Option B, west. Option A is correct. The sun rises in this direction every morning. Sorrow is facing north. She turns right, walks 1 block, turns left, and walks 1 more block. Which direction is she now facing? Option A, south. Option B, north. Excellent. Option B is correct. Turning right from north faces you east. Turning left from east faces you north again. Which picture shows someone walking west on map? Option A, an arrow pointing right from a compass rose. Option B, an arrow pointing left from a compass rose. Good job! Option B is correct. West is usually to the left on most maps. North is the direction you would look toward to find the North Pole. Is this statement true or false? Perfect! This statement is true. If you're facing west and turn left, you are now facing north. Is this statement true or false? No, this statement is false. Turning left from west makes you face south, not north. Good job, kids! Next time, we're talking all about waves, bows, and bright smiles. Get ready to see how a simple greeting can show big respect. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.